Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add the widgetable on your home screen. Now if you want to add widgetable to your home screen but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the widgetable app on your device. So if you have not installed the widgetable app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the widgetable app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Widgetable, where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. So here you'll see the various options of widgets and all of it. So you just need to select the widget from here, or if you have saved already, that's good. And after that you just need to come back to your home screen and long press on the home screen and enter the jiggle mode. And after entering the jiggle mode, click on the option of edit, and here you will see the option of add widgets, customize or edit page. So click on the option of add widget, and here you will see the option of LinkedIn, day one and widgetable. So click on the option of widgetable, and here you may select the various widgets which you want to add. So if you want to add small widget, medium widget or large widget, select the option and click on the option of add widget. And you may also simply swipe this, and if you want to keep it in the next page, you may simply swipe it and keep it. But if you are good with it, so you may click on the option of done at the very top right, and you will be able to add the widget on the home screen of an iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can add the widgetable on the home screen of an iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.